So now you're just going to drape the stem of the mushroom. I just wanted to do some ombre fondant, just roll them all together like in one sheet, and we could just go around and then panel it, wrap it around. So I have about, say, 5 shades of the purple. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I just made them into logs. Okay, just going to put them together. We could add, like if they're like quite dry, we could just add some water in between each of the log, and then put it together to roll it. And now they already have like a lot of color, and they are just going to stick together. In case if not, then just need to add some water. I'm just going to put them together and press it out. Also add some shortening. Just press them together so they kind of stick well. Once you know it's like almost together in one piece, then you could just start rolling. I'm just going to look for an ombre like this. So the entire stem's height, I should have the fondant coming through the lengthwise. So I would be needing to roll on both sides. Need corn flour as well. I'm just going to pinch it well. I'm just going to check for the height. It's almost about, say, because with the dent, like let's say 11, and it's like quite more than that. Let's go around, cut the sides. I'm just going to wrap it around on this side. Just pressing it down wherever the ganache is there. The excess fondant, could just cut it out. Just make sure the fondant is stuck well to the ganache surface. I'm going to check for the overlap and then just have the excess cut. I'm just going to squish it out and then get the fondant covering up all of the ganache. I'm just going to leave this as the base. Could just add some stones, something to finish it up. We have bigger air bubbles. Just pop it out with a sharp tool. A pin sort or even a Dresden tool should be fine. Just get the air bubbles out. Could just do some textures using the Dresden tool, or we could also leave it plain. We kind of like it. You just want to smooth out surface of fondant which is not a circle, mean the round or square. Just take a bit of the same colored fondant and then just go over it. So I'll just get done with this draping the stem part. It looks nice with the ombre shade. With this ombre technique, you could just use it to even panel your regular cakes around. So I'll just meet you in the next lesson, because this looks quite nice with the bright and vibrant color. I feel on the top we could just add some textures to kind of give some movement. I will catch you up in that lesson where I'm going to show you how I'm going to add some textures to the head of the mushroom.